Combing my hair can be very scary, especially when my hair is dry and has experienced maximum shrinkage after a hair wash. I usually end up with breakage after combing aggressively and my scalp will hurt badly. My goal this year is to maintain a healthy hair and retain length. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my experience making this detangling gel. Join me as I walk you through the process step by step, from selecting the perfect ingredients to mixing up the magic potion, and also how to apply to your hair. So let's jump in. So I'll prepare my detangler using natural ingredients. First, I will start with aloe vera and okra, which will serve as the film forming humectants. I have 8 pieces of okra and 2 medium-sized aloe vera. The cleaning process is very important, so I'll wash my aloe vera and okra. Okra is very rich in vitamins and nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, antioxidants, and folate, which are beneficial for healthy hair. It strengthens hair follicles, improves scalp's health, nourishes hair strands. The proteins and amino acid in okra helps nourish and repair damaged hair, leaving you with a smoother, softer, and more manageable hair. Okra helps to seal the hair cuticles. On the other hand, aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory and cooling properties that help soothe scalp irritation, reducing dandruff and itchiness. So at this point, I have cleaned the aloe vera, I've cut off the aloe vera thorns, washed the okra. I will dice it, I will go ahead and dice it, and this is what I have. So I want to extract the aloe vera juice, so I will slice the aloe vera open. You have to do that gently, peel off the upper part, and then you can take the juice out with your knife. You see how easy it is. I am taking that out, and I will do the same thing for the second one. So I made sure that I got everything from the aloe vera skin. I scraped out the juice. At this point, I will transfer the aloe vera juice into my blender, and I will go ahead and give it a good blend. So after blending, I will transfer the juice into my wig cap. I have used the wig cap to cover a plate, and then I will transfer the aloe vera juice inside, and I will go ahead and squeeze this out. So this is to ensure that I will not have particles of aloe vera inside the juice. I will not have aloe vera pulp inside. So look, this is what it looks like. I added a little water when I'm blending, because when moisturizing, you need water. So I just added a little water because I wanted to have make a large quantity of this detangler. Next, I am transferring my okra into a plate. I will add 1 cup of water, and then I will take this to my stove and boil it. I boiled this for 10 minutes to a consistency that I liked, and then I took it down and allowed it to cool. So after it has cooled down, I sieved again with my wig cap. So I transferred this into my wig cap, and at this point I'm going to pull that out and strain the okra gel. So that is the consistency you can see. So after boiling the okra, I did not allow it to cook completely so that it will be easy for me to strain. But at the end of the day, when I stirred the liquid, I tried to take it up, it was still watery. So I decided to put it back in my pot and boil again, maybe make it a little thicker or something. So this is the point where I tried boiling the okra gel to see if I can get something thicker, and this is what I have. So I mixed the okra gel with the aloe vera gel together, and I stirred it for a while. I kept turning it to ensure that everything mixed properly. So to prevent dryness, we need a humectant. So I added vegetable glycerin. I added 8 drops of vegetable glycerin. I went in again and mixed everything properly. So after mixing that, I transferred that into my storage container. And at this point, our gel is ready. Our detangling gel is ready for use. So I am going to use this to detangle my hair. So let's go ahead and apply this to my hair. I will go ahead and get my hair wet using warm water so that I can open up my cuticles. I will make sure my hair is very wet. After that, I will divide my hair into sections. So what I actually did here is that I had to lose the twist and take the hair in small sections and apply the products to it. So I lose a certain number of twists, apply the product, this is it, and then I will apply it to my hair. It's very, very slimy. As you can see, it's very, very slimy. And as I was working it through my hair, it made the detangling process very, very easy. It made the detangling process very, very easy. I do not have to use a comb, and it's made everything very easy for me. So while you're doing this, make sure you walk your finger in a downward motion so that you will not cause unnecessary breakage to your hair. So when applying the detangler, you have to be very, very generous with it. Apply so much of it to your hair. It will make it easy for you to pass your finger through your hair, and it makes it easy for you to detangle your hair. So after detangling each section, I will put it back into a twist. So I went ahead to apply the detangler to other sections of my hair. I was finding it difficult to part my hair without a mirror. I'm used to using a mirror to part my hair into sections. But my mirror broke. It fell down and broke. So at this point, I had to figure it out one way or the other. And when I'm done, I will rinse it off and then go ahead and condition my hair. Detangling the type 4 natural hair requires patience, gentle handling, and the right tools to minimize breakage and damage. This detangling gel is everything I wanted. It has all the sleep. It gave me the room to be able to detangle my hair without stress. I was able to detangle my natural hair without stress. Here I am done, and I will let it sit in my hair for like 10 minutes before I will rinse it out. I am done rinsing it out, and this is what it looks like. This is my hair. Wow, I love it. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, comment and like this video, and I will see you in my next video.